Warren Buffett, 9 Books That Made Me Millions, Must Read. Warren Buffett is one of the richest and most successful businessmen in the world. And he's not just wealthy, he's also incredibly smart. So what is his secret? Buffett has said that it all comes down to reading. Reading a lot, and reading the right things. In fact, Buffett credits 9 specific books with making him the man he is today. If you're looking to make some money yourself, you should read these 9 books too. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor is one of the most successful investment books of all time. Written by Benjamin Graham, it has sold over 1 million copies and has been translated into 18 languages. The book is divided into 2 parts. The first part explains Graham's approach to investing, and the second part provides concrete advice on how to put his principles into practice. Graham's approach is based on the idea of value investing, that is, investing in companies that are trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. By carefully analyzing financial statements and other company data, investors can identify these undervalued companies and profit from them over the long term. While some of Graham's ideas may seem dated, The Intelligent Investor remains an essential read for any serious investor. 2. The Outsiders by William Thorndike. William Thorndike's The Outsiders has become a classic American novel. First published in 2012, the book tells the story of Ponyboy Curtis and his struggle to find a place in a world that seems determined to keep him on the outside. The novel was an instant success, and its themes of loyalty, friendship, and self-acceptance continue to resonate with readers of all ages. The Outsiders is a coming-of-age story that reminds us that we all have the potential to make a difference in the world. Thorndike's simple but powerful prose speaks directly to the heart, and his characters are unforgettable. The Outsiders is a timeless classic that belongs on the shelf of every reader who is looking for a story that will stay with them forever. 3. Buffett, The Making of an American Capitalist by Roger Lowenstein. In this book, Roger Lowenstein tells the story of one of the world's most successful investors, Warren Buffett. Buffett is often considered to be a financial genius, and his track record speaks for itself. Over the course of his career, he has amassed a fortune of over $60 billion. But as Lowenstein shows, Buffett's success is not simply the result of luck or innate talent. It is the product of a unique set of values and beliefs that have guided him throughout his life. For example, Buffett has always been laser-focused on his goals. He is also unafraid of taking risks, and he has always been willing to put in the hard work required to achieve success. These traits have helped him to weather some difficult periods in his career, and they have ultimately contributed to his staggering wealth. 4. Tap Dancing to Work by Warren Buffett and Carol Loomis. Warren Buffett and Carol Loomis tell the inside story of how Buffett transformed himself from a small-town boy with big dreams into one of the world's most successful investors. The book is part memoir, part investing manual, and part history lesson. Buffett takes readers on a tour of his childhood home in Omaha, Nebraska, and shares stories of his early years as a paperboy and pinball hustler. He also discusses his formative years at Berkshire Hathaway, where he honed his investing skills. And he offers advice on how to build wealth over time by following a few simple principles. Whether you're an experienced investor or just getting started, Tap Dancing to Work is essential reading for anyone who wants to learn from the master. 5. Snowball by Alice Schroeder. Snowball by Alice Schroeder is an intimate and revealing biography of one of the most controversial and influential figures in business today, Warren Buffett. The book chronicles Buffett's life from his upbringing in Nebraska to his rise as the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, providing readers with rare insight into his thinking and investment strategies. Snowball also sheds light on some of the more challenging moments in Buffett's career, such as the scandal surrounding Salomon Brothers and the struggle to find a successor to lead Berkshire Hathaway after his retirement. Despite these challenges, Snowball shows that Buffett has remained true to his core values and principles, making him an enduring example of how to achieve success with integrity. 6. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. The book is based on Philip Fisher's experience as a successful investor and investment counselor, and it offers insight into his investment philosophy. According to Fisher, the key to success is to find companies with strong management teams and good long-term prospects. He also emphasizes the importance of in-depth research, arguing that investors should take the time to really understand a company before investing. While some of Fisher's ideas may seem dated, the book remains an essential read for anyone interested in investing. 7. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. If you're looking for a crash course in investing, you can't go wrong with Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street. In clear and concise language, Lynch walks readers through the basics of stock selection, risk management, and portfolio construction. But this book is more than just a primer on investing, it's also an insightful look into the mind of one of the most successful money managers of all time. By sharing his unique approach to stock picking, Lynch gives readers the tools they need to start profiting from the market. And while some of his recommendations may seem obvious in retrospect, they are still invaluable for anyone who wants to take their investment strategy to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, One Up on Wall Street is essential reading for anyone who wants to improve their financial future. 8. The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. This book has helped countless people achieve financial success. In it, Greenblatt outlines a simple but effective investment strategy that anyone can use to beat the market. He begins by explaining the two most important factors to look for when choosing stocks: projected earnings and return on invested capital. He then goes on to discuss how to value these stocks and when to buy and sell them. Throughout the book, Greenblatt provides numerous examples of how this strategy has worked in the real world. The Little Book That Beats the Market is an essential read for anyone who wants to achieve financial independence. 9. The Essays of Warren Buffett by Lawrence Cunningham. The Essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America is a collection of articles by businessman, investor, and philanthropist Warren Buffett. The essays were written over a period of more than 3 decades, and cover a wide range of topics including investing, business, economics, and politics. In addition to offering valuable insights into Buffett's investment philosophy, the book provides a rare glimpse into the mind of one of the world's most successful businessmen. For anyone looking to get a better understanding of how to run a business or invest their money, The Essays of Warren Buffett is an essential read. My takeaways. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful businessmen in the world. Over the course of his career, he has written countless articles on a variety of topics, including investing, business, economics, and politics. The Essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America is a collection of some of these essays. In it, Buffett offers valuable insights into his investment philosophy and provides a rare glimpse into the mind of one of the world's most successful businessmen. Whether you're just starting out in business or you're looking to improve your financial future, The Essays of Warren Buffett should be at the top of your reading list. If you're looking for more great investment advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel.